Introduce highlight features or overview summary for alescu Cordless Robotic Pool Vacuum. Self-parking pool cleaner lasts 110 minutes. Pool vacuum cleaner for above/in-ground pools, color black. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: Cordless Pool Vacuum Cleaner. With a secure and convenient wireless design, this pool cleaner ensures safety by eliminating the risk of tangling and electrocution from power cords. Plus, it's also waterproof, so you can be sure it will work flawlessly without being plugged in. Enjoy the freedom of a wireless and efficient pool cleaning experience. Powerful battery. This innovative device is perfect for keeping your above-ground or in-ground pool clean and sparkling. The 5000 mAh battery charges in just 3 to 3.5 hours, providing over 110 minutes of cleaning power. The pool robot is designed to effortlessly navigate every inch of your pool, removing dirt and debris with ease. Convenient. At just £9, even women can easily handle this compact and powerful device. It's specially designed for both above-ground and in-ground pools up to 914 square feet, with a maximum depth of 11.5 feet. Designed with advanced features, our robot is equipped with an automatic reverse function that allows it to safely navigate around your pool, even when it comes into contact with walls or other obstacles. When the cleaning cycle is complete or the battery is running low, the pool cleaner will automatically stop at the edge of your pool for easy retrieval. With 2 large intake ports and 2 powerful scrubbing brushes. IPX8 waterproof. Designed with the latest IPX8 waterproof technology to extend the lifespan of both the motor and battery. Say goodbye to the hassle of manually cleaning your pool and enjoy a sparkling clean pool effortlessly with our swimming pool cleaning robot. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.